Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a couple quick, easy Dollar Tree Easter DIYs. I'm going to take some of the plastic eggs from the Dollar Tree and cover them in Dollar Tree rope. I am going to unwind the rope into 3 different strands to make it nice and thin and easier to work with. You could also do this with twine or the macrame cord from the Dollar Tree, but it's going to take a lot more winding on there. I just put some hot glue on my Easter egg and I simply wrap it until it is completely covered with the rope. I'm going to make a little display with these in my home using a thrifted piece of grass. And I want to hide the little rope eggs down into the grass to make a cute little coastal Easter display. But I guess it doesn't really have to be coastal, but I am going to add a few coastal touches to mine. When I get to the end, I just cut it off and glue it. I'm going to do that 3 more times with the other plastic eggs here. And then let me show you how I'm going to display these for Easter. I found this great thrifted grass piece at Goodwill. Isn't this perfect for Easter, hiding eggs in the grass? I think you could probably DIY something similar with the faux grass from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add a little bit more texture to the metal frame of this just by cutting down some of the burlap ribbon, and we can decorate the outside of this a little bit. It's nice and neutral. I'll be able to reuse this for other seasons if I need to. I just wrap that all the way around the metal base, and I think it just brings a little bit more character to the metal base, but I love the faux grass. I think it's really cool. And then I'm going to hide my Easter eggs all over, just having them randomly go different directions. I finished mine off with a little sand dollar here on the front that I got on Amazon. I think it turned out really cute. Let me show you how the first Easter DIY turned out. So fun. For the next one, I wanted to do a coastal Easter theme as well. So I'm going to combine some coastal stickers and some of the metal signs from the Dollar Tree and one of their longboard Easter signs. This is already light blue, so it's already great for my coastal Easter. It has a cutout of a little Easter egg there on the top. And I'm going to add some of those metal shapes to it, the bunny and the chick. These can be kind of hard to paint, so I thought it'd be fun to try to use some of these glass stickers from the Dollar Tree to decorate. These are little coastal starfish and seashells. I'm just going to add them all over kind of in a random pattern, even a little bit of coral on there, just to bring a little coastal touch to these fun shapes. You could always paint them or even cover them with like a removable wallpaper. That would be really cute as well. And then I'm just going to add them just like this to that Easter sign. I'm using hot glue here to attach my metal pieces to the wood. They're pretty lightweight, so I think that glue should hold up, even though hot glue and metal often don't do well together. And then I thought it'd be fun to spell out the word Easter going down the sign a little bit with some of those wood letters from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to use them raw wood like this. That looks great with coastal. You don't even have to bother painting them if you don't want to. And I'm just going to spell out the word Easter going all the way down the little bunny and the chick. I am going to replace the hanger on there with a little bit of the wood bead garland from the Dollar Tree that I cut down to size just to add a little character here to the top. And this little Easter DIY is ready to go. Super cute and coastal. If you'd like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to visit me at Crafty Beach on YouTube.